Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to get gems in Brawl Stars. So the best free ways to get the gems for the Brawl Stars is as follows. The first method is you need to go to the search and then type in Google Opinion Rewards. As you can see, it says it's not available in my region, but basically what it means is you're taking a survey and then the reward for this survey is in a form of Google money that you will be able to use to buy the currency, which is of course gems in Brawl Stars. So this is the first way. Okay, so the second method is by going to your profile. Then you need to select Google Play Points. As you can see, it's not available in my region, but there's going to be a separate button here. I think it's supposed to be under the settings. And then you need to sign up, and then you will be able to claim a free points that you will be able to use in Brawl Stars to buy gems. So basically you're going to this points section in the Google Play Store, then you need to go to the perks, and then you will be able to claim a weekly prize, and for those you will be able to buy the gems for Brawl Stars once again. So to briefly show you, this is what it will look like. As you can see, this is the amount of points that is, as just an example, a certain person has 123, and this is the game. As you can see, it's a section, and for these points you will be able to buy the gems. As you can see, the AED4 coupon, and it has a different price, and that's how you do it. Alright, the other method is by going to Instagram and typing in hashtag Brawl Stars or hashtag Brawl Stars giveaway, and from here you can browse multiple posts and possibly find a giveaway for your gems. As always guys, thank you for watching. Press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.